Welcome back everyone, it's Vlad, and today we are cooking goat and dal puri, an awesome collaboration. Take a look at this.
Hey everyone, it's Christmas in July still, and today it's gonna be dal puri and goat curry. And we're going all the way to Guyana to get our dal puri. We're going to Sherry Ann's house at the Williams family in Guyana. An amazing person. You gotta go check her out. She's got all these amazing videos. Show her some love, some support, some subscription. Give her some nice likes. Look at her channel, you'll see. It's all original, authentic stuff we do in Guyana when we're small. She is collaborating with me today for this Christmas in July special. So let's head to the kitchen and get this curry going while she's making our roti in Guyana.
So I like to season up my meat from the night before. I mean some thyme, some green season mix, which is just garlic, bandana, and I think I put pimento pepper this time. So let me show you quickly our goat, what we're using. I like to cook goat with the skin. So we put a mix, some with skin, some without skin. And this is available at most Caribbean Supercenter or some of the other stores in the neighborhood. So we go with some salt, black pepper, a green seasoning mix, a little bit of turmeric powder. This adds a lot of level of flavor. I usually mix this up well and I store it in the fridge overnight. I almost forgot my thyme. And I usually put the thyme in whole because it all melts out in the pot and I just pull the big stems off. Take the ear out the bag and put this in the refrigerator. And this is what it looks like the following day. All ready for the pot, seasoned up well. Let's get started. I got my onion and garlic, a piece of ginger, my green seasoning, lots of peppers. I got pimento, yellow flavor, a whole habanero. I got some parsley, some basil, a mampo, some chive, a little bit of tomato paste, but you don't have to put that in. A potato, and here's my curry mix. I got regular curry powder. I got some garam masala, some GEERAH or CUMIN, and I got some duck and goat curry. Man, this is what spice up this food. I'm gonna leave a detailed description of everything that I used in the description box. Let's start with our onions. Saute that first. And if you notice, mine is really big in the pot, right? So that's how I always cook any of my curry on my show, you'll see. The garlic and onions are left in big chunks because I want them to slow and low. That's how I cook my onions and garlic. And you're gonna see it gets nice. It's gonna start to caramelize. And because it's a goat, I can actually add the curry earlier. But if it was chicken or fish, I let it cook longer. The onions and garlic. And there we go. It's getting nice and brown. I want to add my tomato paste to the curry powder mix and a little bit of water. And make it like a paste kind of texture. Then I'm going to add this and let this cook down for about 15 minutes before I add my goat to here. I forgot the ginger again. Getting nervous with these cooks. It's all good. All of them taste really nice. As you can see, as the masala starts to catch on the bottom, I know it's time to add the goat. I'll put everything in here. If you notice the stems again on the thyme, you will see I'm going to pull all of this out in about 20-25 minutes. You'll see how nice it looks. So we can add everything else, our peppers and our mix, our scallions, parsley, and a little bit of extra green season I had. And we're just going to cook this down. I let this fry and cook and marinate real well with the onion and garlic and the masala. Then we're going to add the water afterwards. Hey, and just a quick note, if you guys are looking here for the first time to my channel, please remember to subscribe, hit that like button, drop me a comment, let me know how you like to eat your goat curry or what you like to eat it with. Man, look at that masala onto that goat. Lovely. I'm gonna add the hot water. Some people add cold water, but I've always accustomed adding the hot water to it. Let this come to a rapid boil. I'm gonna cover this down and turn it down really low and let it take its time and cook. Not in a rush. And here's, we're just gonna add a potato. So I like it with the skin. Something you gotta check it, you know. Look, a piece of it was bad. I just cut it out and throw that piece away. I'm gonna add it to the food. Potato is actually a good ingredient if you know you put too much salt in your curry. You can cut up 2 or 3 potatoes really quick and add it to your curry, and it draws the salt out. But then you gotta remove that potato because that's where the salt is in. I'm gonna taste this to make sure it's good. Yep, I had to add a little bit more salt to my curry because I added that potato. But it tastes good, and boy, it's all set. So guys, remember I did this goat curry. This is a Christmas in July collaboration special, and we are going to Guyana for this dal puri special. Guys, thanks for watching, and please do head over to Sherry Ann's kitchen in the Williams family. I'm going to leave a description in the box below.